In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shein's website to access their customer service options efficiently. Whether you have a question about your orders, need assistance with returns, or simply want to understand more about their services, I'll walk you through each step so you'll be equipped with the right resources at your fingertips. Let's kick things off by first navigating to Shein's website. You can open your favorite web browser and type in the URL, or if you prefer using search engines like Google, just type Shein in the search bar, and the official site should be among the top results. Once you're on the home page, you might be greeted with exciting offers or the latest collections. It can be tempting to start scrolling through all the stylish options, but let's stay focused on getting you to customer service. Next, we need to find the customer service option. On the Shein homepage, you'll typically see this link located either at the very bottom in the footer section of the page, or you might find it in a drop-down menu depending on how the website's navigation is set up at the time. This section is crucial as it acts as the hub for addressing all your inquiries. Clicking on Customer Service will open up a directory of topics to choose from, such as order issues, payment inquiries, return policies, and more. This page is designed to help you quickly zero in on the specific area where you need assistance, thereby saving time and helping you find your answers without the hassle. Once you're on that page, take a moment to identify the topic that matches your concern. Trust me, it's worth spending a few extra seconds here to ensure you choose the right path for resolving your issue. The layout is generally user-friendly and self-explanatory, providing you with articles, FAQs, and sometimes even chat options with customer service representatives if you need a more personalized response. After you've identified and selected the topic relevant to your inquiry, you're pretty much set. This should lead you to either a list of frequently asked questions related to your concern, explanatory articles that can offer further insight, or a way to directly communicate with a customer service agent if your issue still persists. This is what makes Shein's customer service page instrumental. It offers multiple avenues to seek help, and there you have it. Mastering this quick navigation to Shein's customer service can significantly enhance your overall shopping experience on their platform. With this knowledge, you can make your shopping journeys not only stylish, but smooth and stress-free. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.